everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Let's make strawberry mocktail. We need 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 lemon, Hershey syrup in strawberry flavor. You can also use strawberries, you can crush them. Next we need ice cubes, squeezing the lemons, now we will be adding everything into the mixing jar. Quantity of Hershey syrup is about 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can increase or decrease it as per your choice. Add 2 to 3 glasses of chilled water. Give it a good mix. And our strawberry mocktail is ready. Serve it in the glasses by decorating them. This is quite optional, you can leave this step also. So in a very easy way we can make strawberry mocktail at our home. If you tried, do let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.